Dear students, today we are going to discuss an important topic, that is voice. There are two types of voices. One is active voice and another is passive voice. In active voice, subject is prominent or doer of the action is prominent, and in case of passive voice, receiver of the action is given importance and not the person who has done the task. So here we shall learn how to change active voice to passive voice. First is we have to change the subject into object and the object becomes the subject, and the verb is changed as per the rules. Here I am giving you examples how we can change active voice to passive voice. In simple present tense, you can see she writes a novel. We can change this. Here it is subject, here it is verb, and here it is object. You can see the change. Here object has taken place of subject. Here it is in present tense, but we have used V3, and by is used her. She will change according to the objective case. Now, in the second example also you can see she is writing a novel. So a novel is being written by her. This verb depends on this subject. Remember that you have to take care of this subject. Now you will not see the subject which was earlier, the verb which is used earlier. If it is there, it is singular, but if it is plural, then it will be plural verb. This is a common mistake that students do in the examination. In past tense perfect, you can see she has written a novel. A novel has been written by her. So you have to take care. Has written, has been written. See the change. She wrote a novel. It is simple past. Wrote V2 we have used. Here it is used was written. So you have to keep in mind that whenever you are changing from active voice to passive voice, you have to use third form of the verb. You can see it is very common. Everywhere we are using V3. So it is very common in all the forms while changing from active voice to passive voice. She was writing a novel. See the past continuous. A novel was being written by her. So see here again was being written. What is the common mistake? Is being written and was being written. If by mistake, by chance, if you have written you is in place of was, it is wrong. In place of is, if you are using was, this is also wrong. So you have to take care of the tenses. In which tense it is. She had written a novel. A novel had been written by her. So there is no more changes. Only had written and had been written. So this is the slight difference. If you are using be, then it becomes passive voice. So you have to take care of all these things. Again, see in simple future, she will write a novel. A novel will be written by her. So what we have to done here? This. Will write, will be written. Will have written, will have been written. So these are the changes where we have to keep our eyes so that we can change the sentences correctly. So you have to follow this rule throughout the change of voice from active to passive. So be careful. I hope you have understood this. I shall give you some of the exercises based on this part so that you can learn more and more about this topic. You are able to change the sentences into active to passive and from passive to active, vice versa. Is that clear to everyone? So this is all about active voice and passive voice. Please go through your practice book and other books and find out the questions that are asked on the basis of voice. Generally you will find that some instructions, some set of instructions are given there and you have to fill in the blanks, and that is of 3 marks, and you have to fill in the blanks that is in passive voice. So always take care of this one, this part, because here only you commit mistake. In place of using will have been or had been or was been, was written, you will commit mistake. In place of is, are, was, were, has, have, had, such type of mistakes are frequent in the answers. So be careful. Thank you.